This 2026 Winnebago Thrive 18 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features a polar white interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, water heater, TV antenna, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, microwave, oven, carbon monoxide detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Thrive 18 FBS is 4,946 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.